Hello and welcome to The Chosen Few, the one and only place for you. My name is Isabelle Santine, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install Save version 1.1 onto your macOS device. Now, whether it is an M1 or M2 Mac, or even M3, if that happens to release anytime after this, or if it's an Intel Mac, you will not have any issues with this tutorial. So, without further ado, let's get started. So what I've done here before the tutorial is navigated to the Chosen Few software website and found the Save product page. I'll link that down in the description below because that is where you'll find the download for the tool. Now keep in mind, the download is Patreon only, so make sure you subscribe to our Patreon page, also linked down below, if you would like to try out this tool. Once you've done that, you can click Login with Patreon, that button up in the top right, and log in with your Patreon account. So next, you'll scroll down and find the 1.1 Architect download. It might not say Architect for the specific release that you find, because we tend to change the name of each version depending on what the code name is in development. Please make note that at the time of recording this tutorial, there is only one link available here for the 1.1 release. But when you navigate to the website at a future point in time, you will find that there's two links. One labeled OSX-X64 and the other labeled OSX-ARM64. If you're using an M1, M2, or M3 Mac, you'll want to download the ARM64 one. Otherwise, download the X64 one like I'm doing here. And we're simply going to save this to our downloads folder. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and extract that. Fortunately on macOS, that happens automatically. And then we're just going to copy and paste this to a safe place in our Documents folder. Once you've pasted that in, we're going to go ahead and highlight the folder you just copied, and then right-click, do New Terminal at Folder. And that's going to pop up with this black window that displays some text. So, the next step in this tutorial is to enter the commands that I've placed in the description of this video. You can also find a link to the documentation page on the Chosen Few software website for Save version 1.1. That'll have the commands listed there as well. So what we're going to do is type chmod space +x space ./s, and then we are going to hit the tab key. That's going to autocomplete the name of the file that we want to enable execution privileges for. Next, we're going to do the same, except remove an attribute from this file so that it can actually be executed. Now, we should be able to freely execute this file. To test that, we're just going to type ./s and then press the tab key and then hit enter. And there we go. If you see this screen with this text, it means that you successfully executed the file for the first time. But we're not done yet. Next step is to license your Chosen Few software product. How you're going to do that is navigate back to the home page, find My CFS Benefits, and then copy your license key into the terminal window. So once you have your license key copied from the browser, you're going to type /save.core.maintool.exe space, and then you're going to right-click and click Paste. Then hit Enter. Now we have one final step that completes automatically in order to start using Save on your Mac. How you're going to do that is you're going to copy and paste the last command in the description into your command window. Then simply hit Enter. This is going to automatically download a script from the Chosen Few software website and ask for admin permission. And you're just going to type your password for your local account and then hit Enter. And that's going to install the Homebrew Package Manager for Mac, as well as FFmpeg version 5.1. Once the FFmpeg installation command is done running, all you have to do is type /, and then the name of the executable file, space, and then -h. Hit enter, and you're all done with the tutorial. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the Chosen Few Software YouTube channel so that this reaches more people. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.